So your left one doesn't look bad. It's just this right one with all the cracks in there. Is that pretty painful for you?
Yeah, sometimes, and if I put like Neosporin on it, and it helps, I just need to keep my emotion. That one, I think it's because of the rod in my ankle, it just makes it turn, and I think that's why, because I never had that much problems with it until I had broken my ankle. And that's like 10 years at least now, I don't know.
So when you're walking on this one, it gets kind of sore.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim off some of this dead thick skin here, and then we'll smooth it all down. And then over the next couple weeks, let's get you back in here to do it again. And see if we can get this to heal up a little bit. No pun intended.
That's fine.
And get some of these cracks to heal up and go away. Now, because of your diabetes, you pretty much have dry skin everywhere, or is it the worst on your feet?
It's the worst on my feet, but I do. I've had dry skin my whole life, even before I was diabetic. I don't know why. I just am the lucky one.
Hey folks, this video serves as a great reminder that it's important to have beautiful and elegant nails and to take care of your nails. So treat yourself to a 7-piece manicure set like this. This beautiful kit comes with 2 nail clippers, trimmers, multi-purpose scissors, an ear pick, cuticle trimmers, eyebrow tweezers, and an acne needle. There's an Amazon link below to the kit that's highly recommended by this YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out and treat yourself to beautiful nails today.
Stay tuned for the Meta 7 video.
Hey everyone, I would just like to thank Dr. Gilmore. I use this Meta 7 every single morning and it gives me more energy during the day. I also take Rest More to help me fall asleep at night. They have changed my life dramatically and I definitely recommend Rest More and Meta 7 to many people.